I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A few showers or thunderstorms remain possible through tonight with the weakening area of low pressure. After highs today in the low to mid 70s for much of Nebraska and southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas with even cooler highs in the mid to upper 60s. We'll see weak high pressure move in for increased sunshine tomorrow, but highs remain 5 degrees cooler than normal in the 70s. Another wave of low pressure increases rain and thunderstorm chances Wednesday through Wednesday night. Most rain amounts should range a quarter inch or less, but central and eastern Kansas could see totals of an inch or two. Highs on Wednesday dropping slightly into the upper 60s to the mid 70s. Highs Thursday are in the low to mid 70s before highs in the mid to upper 70s for Friday through Sunday. More low pressure keeps it slightly unsettled for Friday through Sunday with occasional chances of scattered rain and thunderstorms. The cool air does not leave anytime soon. Cooler than normal temperatures remain likely for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through the first 7 days of September, especially this weekend through early next week. During that first week of September in central Nebraska, typical daytime highs cool to around 80 with average overnight lows in the mid-50s. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall this weekend through September 7th indicated to be above normal. The higher chances of rain are this weekend through early next week. Key weather factors impacting the markets include cool air lasting through early September in the U.S., dry conditions for harvest in the Canadian prairies, and rain across Europe and Australia. Cool conditions cover much of the U.S., with overnight temperatures continuing to fall below 40 at times in portions of the upper Great Lakes. A nearly stationary front from the Rockies into the south separates above and below normal temperatures and helps to focus rain and thunderstorm development. 5-day rainfall could reach 2 to 4 inches or more from portions of the central and southern plains into the southern Atlantic. Dry weather prevails all week in the mid-Atlantic and Midwest, aside from sporadic rain near the Great Lakes. Hot weather continues the next several days in the far west, while heat across the deep south slowly increases. This weekend, mostly light rain and another shot of cooler air move into the northern plains and spread slowly southeastward for next week. Towards the Canadian prairies, patchy frost over the weekend could have affected some fields. Very limited rain this week in the Canadian prairies is favorable for harvest. In Europe, waves of rain tomorrow through next week benefit filling corn and increase soil moisture for winter wheat planting that begins next month. Western Australia once again saw beneficial heavy rain over the weekend, but the southeast remains in more of a dry trend as wheat and canola move into the reproductive stage. More widespread rain is possible in Australia this week, but colder air could lead to damaging frost. With the check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.